So you've been thinking about investing, right? But you don't know how to invest. It's your first time and you don't have a lot of money to invest. So I'm gonna go over 3 steps that you should take before doing any kind of investments, including in the stock market, in the housing market, or through real estate, or even Bitcoins. So stay tuned as I go over the 3 steps you have to take before you can invest.
Shall we begin?
Hey guys, welcome to Simple Chew. I'm your host Hank, and today I'm in my studio. It's getting way too dark out there to record outside, especially in Boston. So you've been thinking about investing and this is your first time investing. Before we go into the steps, there's one important rule about investing, and that is that money cannot be something that you just keep really close to your chest. You have to change the mentality of scarcity with money. Money is something that cannot be just stored. It's a tool that you can use to generate more money. And if you have the mentality of scarcity, you will never let it go in the world to work for you. So one of the first rules that I learned is that money has to be put to work. If you have that scarcity mindset, you will never put it out there because you will always be scared that you're gonna lose it or you're not gonna get it back. But if you think like that, you're never gonna get rich. Especially because most of the people who just save money, they never get rich. They just keep saving it and they never make it. They work for it, but they never make it work for them. So you need to change that mentality. It's something hard, but you can start small. Step number 1, take care of your debt. If you owe $2,000 on credit cards that has a yield of 23% a month, and you have $2,000 in cash and you want to put it on the stock market to get a return of 9%, it doesn't make sense because you're going to be losing money at the end of the day. Grab that $2,000 in cash and pay your credit card. Step number 2, watch your expenses. Your expenses is going to, if any small expenses is going to sink your boat. So watch your expenses. Watch my video about budgeting to watch your expenses and keep more cash, because cash is king on the investment portfolio. The more cash you have disposable, the more you can invest. Step number 3, you have to study the game that you're trying to get into. If you want to get into the real estate, buy a bunch of books about real estate investment. If you want to get into stock market, I recommend these books right here. I'm going to put them in the description. Read them and reread them. Build your own formula if you're trying to get into the stock market. If you're trying to get into Bitcoins, read about Bitcoins. There's a bunch of documentaries and Netflix and Hulu and all these subscription websites. But you need to learn, and know the rules so you can play the game, so you can win. Thank you guys for watching. If you are an investor, innovator, or entrepreneur, I suggest you to subscribe. Follow me on Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter at Real Simple Chew. Also, check out my website at simplechew.com, where I write all my scripts about my videos. And always remember, keep it simple.